Hi everyone. Alright, this little video is on solving quadratic equations by factoring. The property that we use is a zero product property, and that just simply states if a times b equals 0, so two numbers are multiplied together to equal 0, then a equals 0 or b equals 0. So when we are solving, and I'm going to solve this quadratic by factoring, get it to a product of some kind, get it set equal to 0, and then one of those factors will make, when one of those factors is 0, that is a solution to the equation. So how do we, so we got this one, solve 2x squared minus 3x plus 1 equals 6. We're going to solve it by factoring. And to use the zero product property, we have to have 0 on one side. And so I have 2x squared minus 3x, and then 1 minus 6, that's negative 5, equals 0. All right, so I want to factor this. And this is one of the ways of solving, and when it can be factored, it's nice. So 2 times 5, that is negative 10. So I need two numbers that multiply to negative 10 and add to negative 3. And it looks to me like negative 5 times 2 is negative 10. Negative 5 plus 2 is negative 3. So I'm just going to do the factoring here. 2x squared minus 5x plus 2x minus 5. I'll just keep the equal 0 here, and I'll just keep factoring along. So I'm going to group those two together, and it looks like it has a common factor of x, and then 2x minus 5 here, plus, looks like 1's the greatest common factor here, but the 2x minus 5 is going to help us here. And then the common part is 2x minus 5, and then it has the x plus 1 that we kind of distribute over there. And now we have it factored. We have it factored, it's equal to 0. So either 2x minus 5 is equal to 0, or x plus 1 equals 0. There's the zero product property in use. So when we add 5 to both sides, we got 2x equals 5, and then when we divide that by 2, we got x is 5 halves. 5 halves should make this true, and then subtract 1 from both sides, we get x is negative 1. And you may just want to check that real quick and make sure what we have there is working. And I'm actually going to check it up here, not check it for the 0 part, but for the original equation before we subtracted 6 from both sides. 5 halves is 2.5, so I'm going to use that. 2 times 2.5, and then square that, minus 3 times 2.5 plus 1. That does equal 6. So 2.5 is a solution. And I can I'll just use that equation over again and take the 2.5s out and put negative 1, delete, in its place. Negative 1. Delete. Okay, got the negative 1 in place. That also, it's hard to see, but that is a 6 there. So we're good. We have the two solutions here. All right, that is all I have for you on solving quadratics by factoring. We just need to practice, I think.